it is, guys. It comes in a nice little box, and I tried to bring it up myself, and I totally could have, but the security guy asked if I needed help, and then I said yes. But if I wanted to, I could have pulled out the big guns and yanked it. But look at the box, it's super cute. Do you approve? What do you think? Yeah, you like it? Mm-hmm. All right, let's check it out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kristen, and I post DIY, lifestyle, and shop with me videos every week. If you like all of those things, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. I am so excited for this video because we are going to be doing an unboxing of the Lull mattress. So if you have been on YouTube, you will have seen the Lull mattress like all over the place, and I was so excited to try it. So I'm gonna be doing an unboxing and showing you the whole process, what it's like, and doing a full review so you know if you wanna buy it or not. All US-based orders get free shipping, and you get to try it out for 100 days, and they will refund your money if you don't like it. So my very first impression of this is how awesome would it be for like college kids. So if you're moving into dorms or into a new apartment or whatever, how convenient is this packaging? That is an entire mattress in this little box behind me. Super, super convenient. It's super stylish, and hopefully it's super comfy. So let's try it out. By the way, guys, I will leave a link in the description below to all of this. If I have any discount codes, I don't know if I do, but I will also drop them in the description box down below. So let's get started. Okay, I can like hear it deflating or inflating, I guess. So this is what it looks like. And then I'm gonna take off the rest of the plastic. Okay, so it is supposed to take between 4 and 6 hours for it to fully inflate. I don't know how much fluffier this can get because it's already fluffy. Okay guys, so I have the camera on a tripod on the other side of the mattress, and when I bounce, the camera hardly moves at all. Like if you have a partner or somebody else sleeping with you, you won't even notice that they're there if they move in the night. Wow, the camera doesn't even move like almost at all. That's crazy. Okay guys, so when I am not filming, I'm actually a business analyst, and my job requires me to go all over the US, and I'm staying in hotels pretty much like every other week. So it's really important for me to have a nice, comfy, cozy, soft bed that I just look forward to coming home to. If you would have seen my last video, I was advocating for like getting a mattress topper to make your bed like nice and soft and comfy. You don't need one with this mattress. Okay, so we've been laying on the bed for about an hour, and one thing that I noticed that I really like is the fact that as I'm sitting here, the mattress like hugs my curves. So the feeling is soft, but it's a little firmer than my mattress topper, but I actually kind of like it because I think it's giving my back the support it needs. When I'm laying like this, my hips sink in. It's just providing a lot of support in places that I think need it. So I think that's really interesting. So I'm so excited to try and sleep on it tonight. So we will see, and I will update you in the morning. Hey guys, it's about 1 week since I did the unboxing of the Lull mattress, and I've been sleeping on it for about 6 nights now, and it did take my back like a night or two to adjust, which honestly it does for every single mattress I've owned before, but I am so happy with it now. It is so comfortable, and I am just in love with it. So that's my update, and this mattress is fully supported by me. So guys, make sure you check out the description below for links to everything. By the way, I don't make any kind of commission on this. I'm not selling this mattress. I don't profit from it in any way. Any discount codes or any of that is simply to help you guys out. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. Until next time.